There's Alexander just trying to get across a little...
Dad, you might want to walk them. Not them.
There you go, foot in.
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't have any help though.
No.
I'll sweat anyway.
Yeah, he's wet anyway.
Yeah.
So where are we now? We're in
Huh?
Millennium
Millennium.
campsite. It's our last night, isn't it?
Millennium.
We just met Mark, Noy, Oliver, Isabella and Nana. They came down to Bedgullet and they left in the rain. Had a quick argument with Nana as normal. She left. She was just, didn't we? It was just nice, wasn't it? Lovely. And now here we are on our last night. This is the river going through our campsite, which is nice. They don't see you? Good.